If you're looking to use GetResponse for affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. This powerful tool can help you automate, scale, and track your affiliate campaigns. But is it the best choice for your affiliate marketing goals? Stick around to find out how to use GetResponse effectively and which other software might just outperform it for affiliate marketers. Let's dive straight into how GetResponse can work for affiliate marketing. First, let's talk about GetResponse's email marketing capabilities. As an affiliate marketer, your email list is one of your biggest assets. GetResponse allows you to build and segment your email list, making it easier to target your audience with tailored campaigns. You can automate emails based on user actions, which means if someone clicks on an affiliate link, you can follow up with them automatically. It's an excellent tool for setting up nurturing sequences that keep your audience engaged. However, it lacks advanced segmentation and behavioral tracking compared to some competitors, which could limit its effectiveness as your affiliate business grows. Next thing is landing page creation. GetResponse gives you easy-to-use templates to design landing pages that convert. These are great for creating dedicated affiliate offers or lead magnets. You don't need to be a designer to build a high-converting page. That said, while the landing page builder is solid, the customization options are fairly limited compared to other tools on the market, especially when it comes to integrating advanced elements like custom forms or pop-ups. The third thing you'll want to use GetResponse for in affiliate marketing is conversion funnel automation. GetResponse allows you to set up automated sales funnels that can turn your visitors into leads and leads into customers. You can integrate affiliate products into these funnels and automatically deliver the affiliate offer at the right stage of the funnel. However, its funnel automation isn't as flexible as other tools like ClickFunnels, which might offer better integration options for affiliate marketers looking to scale. The fourth thing to consider is affiliate tracking and reporting. GetResponse provides basic analytics for your email campaigns, landing pages, and sales funnels, which is good for tracking how your affiliate links are performing. But it doesn't offer as deep reporting as some of its competitors. For example, tools like ThriveCart give you more granular data, which can be essential when optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns. If you're looking for detailed tracking to really hone in on what's working, GetResponse may fall short. Now, let's talk about what makes GetResponse unique for affiliate marketing. Its integration with e-commerce platforms and its ease of use stand out. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other platforms, GetResponse makes it easy to integrate affiliate offers into your e-commerce funnel. But for more advanced affiliate marketers, the simplicity of GetResponse might also be a downside, as it lacks the flexibility and depth that more specialized tools provide. So, is GetResponse the best for affiliate marketing? It has its advantages, but it also has limitations that could hold you back as you scale your affiliate efforts. That's why I also want to introduce you to a competitor. Exclusive competitor not only offers powerful email marketing, landing pages, and funnel automation, but also provides advanced tracking, more customization options, and better affiliate-focused tools. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, this platform might just be a better fit. Before we wrap up, I wanted to let you know that the video mentions that GetResponse has an exclusive extended free trial for our viewers. But remember, we've also added a few fantastic alternatives with better affiliate marketing features, and they come with free trials too. By using our link, you'll get access to these exclusive benefits, helping you make a more informed decision. In the end, it's about choosing the best tools that help you hit your goals. So, make sure you check out the links in the description for all the free trials and benefits we've mentioned today.